Dear students, today we are going to discuss very important topic, diameter of Newton's rings. So here we are seeing here the plate P1, plano-convex lens L, and this is the space where the wedge-shaped film is formed. O is the point of contact. Let radius of curvature of the lens L, this is lens L, is CO is equal to CP is equal to R. Wedge-shaped film is formed between the plate P1 and plano-convex lens L. So this is the wedge-shaped film. Let thickness of the film at point P is T and nth ring is formed at point P. So this is the radius of nth ring Rn. In triangle CMP from Pythagoras theorem, CP square is equal to CM square plus MP square, or R square is equal to R minus T whole square plus Rn square, or we get Rn square is equal to 2RT minus T square. Here thickness of the film T is very less than R, hence ignoring T square in comparison to 2RT. We have 2RT is equal to Rn square or dn upon 2 whole square, where dn is the diameter of the nth ring, or 2t is equal to dn square upon 4r. On putting this value in equation number 1 of the previous topic, that is part difference delta is equal to 2t plus lambda by 2, or delta is equal to dn square upon 4r plus lambda by 2. This is equation number 5 in continuation. Now the diameter of bright rings. If nth bright ring is formed at point P, then condition of the constructive interference is delta is equal to 2n lambda by 2, that is dn square upon 4r plus lambda by 2 is equal to n lambda, or dn square upon 4r is equal to n lambda minus lambda by 2, or dn square is equal to 4r 2n minus 1 lambda by 2, or dn is directly proportional to under root 2n minus 1. Hence, we conclude the diameters of bright rings are directly proportional to the square roots of the odd numbers. So, this is very important finding. Now, the second, if on the other hand nth dark ring is formed at point P, then according to the condition of destructive interference, part difference delta is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2, or dn square upon 4r plus lambda by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2, or dn square upon 4r is equal to n lambda, or dn square is equal to 4r n lambda. This is equation number 6, or dn directly proportional to under root n. Hence, we conclude the diameters of the dark rings are directly proportional to the square roots of the natural numbers. Now we come to the applications of the Newton's rings. The application is determination of wavelength, that is lambda, of monochromatic source of light. From equation number 6, this is equation number 6, we have diameter of nth dark ring is given by dn square is equal to 4rn lambda, equation number 7. Similarly, diameter of n plus pth dark ring is given by dn plus p whole square is equal to 4rn plus p lambda, equation number 8. Now subtracting equation number 7 from 8, we have dn plus p square minus dn square is equal to 4r p lambda, or wavelength lambda is equal to dn plus p square minus dn square upon 4r p lambda. This is equation number 9, and by using this equation we can find out the wavelength of monochromatic source of light. Thank you.